Writing style engaging. Hey everyone. Today, I'm diving into an exciting world that lies at the intersection of finance, social media, and well, a fair bit of drama. It's all about the recent surge in GameStop and AMC stocks, fueled by none other than Keith Gill, better known as Roaring Kitty. Remember Roaring Kitty? He's the guy who became a legend during the pandemic by sparking one of the most unexpected stock market rallies in recent history. And guess what? After 3 years of silence, he's back, and he's making waves again. On a quiet Sunday night, as most of us were gearing up for the week, Roaring Kitty posted a meme on the social media platform X. Yeah, the one formerly known as Twitter. It wasn't just any meme, it was a bat signal to all the meme stock enthusiasts that he was getting serious again. Now if you're not familiar with the backstory, here's the scoop. Back in early 2020, Gill started sharing videos about buying GameStop stocks. His enthusiasm and detailed analysis drew a massive following of retail investors. This culminated in a historic short squeeze that shook Wall Street to its core. Fast forward to now, and the moment he posted that meme, GameStop stock shot up a whopping 74.5% in just one day. The New York Stock Exchange even had to pause trading on GME multiple times on Monday due to the extreme volatility. AMC shares also enjoyed a significant boost. The response online? Absolute euphoria. Comments range from "he's back" to "game on," and some are even buzzing about a potential meme coin supercycle. It's clear that Gill's return has reignited a spark among retail investors. All this drama surrounding GameStop was even captured in the movie Dumb Money, detailing how everyday folks went head-to-head against big Wall Street firms. So what does this mean for you as an investor or just someone fascinated by this saga? It's a vivid reminder of the power of social media and individual investors in today's stock market. It's not just about the big players anymore. The game has changed, and it's more inclusive, volatile, and yes, a bit unpredictable. Keep your eyes peeled because if the past is anything to go by, we're in for more roller coaster rides in the stock market. And whether you're investing or just watching, it's sure to be quite the show. That's it for today's update. If you're into stocks, memes, or just love a good financial drama, make sure to hit that follow button. Until next time, keep watching and most importantly, keep questioning. Cheers!